Alright, that's the process. You need to roll the bread. If you want any kinds of palaman, you roll like a barrel. Also, again. Alright.
Ngit-ngit magadiri man ko.
Don't problem it that.
Ngit-ngit
Okay, don't problem. Oh, our palaman is Chez Whiz. Chez Whiz. If you want another ubi alaya, you can put ubi alaya in the center and you make a roll like that. It's our snack for today. This is the beginning of what do you want to eat. You can roll the bread, any kind of palaman you want, you can put that one.
Mana?
Okay, and we will cook this one into the cooking oil. We will put our, what is this? Yes, Father. Take this off. Baling sa mal ko, be. Baling sa mal ko. We will put our kaha and kaha, and we will put oil. Yes, a small amount of oil for your. Okay, you can put that everybody's birthday. Alright, there is our cooking oil. We will wait our cooking oil to be hot. Hot like mama and papa. Very good. Apa ngundi ni di ni kanang kuan dai. Live yan ni. Oh, mabli na rin.
Stop it. Kuan ang katong. Kuan ni. Maklaro.
Wow. Our snack for today is a bread sandwich roll with our rolling coaster of white sugar and milk, powder milk. Wow. You see? It's like a turon. That any edges of turon is so sweet. Like the owner of this cell phone. Aww. We will taste this one. Thank you.
Presentation.
Ito man. This is good for the kids because there is a milk in the toppings and very tasty because of the milk and the sugar mixing together. This is a do it yourself and you can learn into yourself when you do this one.
Sakoy. Give mo sakoy ba?
Wow.
Yummy yum.
This is the finished production. Oh, you see the tasty and the yummy figure.